So welcome back to my episode. I'm not going to show you guys my place yet because it's still a complete mess. Let's go downstairs. Yeah, I'm a slipper guy now, guys. Check it out. Yeah, I gotta wear slippers in the house now. Let me turn this down real quick. I'm actually just downstairs making some flies right now. I know a lot of you guys been asking me about like how to make the flies that I make, right? It's not nothing new. I'm not saying I created. I'm not saying that I'm the first one to do this, but I do tie it a certain way that I believe that I haven't seen yet, that it's my style, right? I do want to show you guys, but I don't at the same time. So I got chapstick, so I'm real shiny today. It's like my secret, you know, and I can't spill that secret just yet. Maybe because I feel like it's not perfect, you know, it's not the perfect way of doing it from my sense. Does that make any sense? I don't know if it makes sense, but you know, I just feel like I have work to do with it. You know, I feel like I can always do more to it. So yeah, let me show you guys what they look like. So these are the flies. You guys see there? Yeah, they're pretty. I know this camera doesn't do the best job at like focusing at dim lights like this. So yeah, I got one dummy right here. I kind of messed up on it. Like I told you guys, you know, it's not perfect, but it still works. You know, it still has the color and the flash and everything on it. But yeah, these are my flies for the season. Yeah, I tie them. It takes a while. Just tying it itself and putting the eyes on it, it takes about like 8 minutes. So just put that in perspective of how long it actually takes to like make a fly, like one fly. And these are like my walleye flies too, so they're tied very different from my white bass. So the white bass is more simple, just color and flash on there, and it doesn't really matter. Like white bass, they're crazy, you know, they're vicious. But walleye, in my opinion, when they're spawning, when they're nesting, they're, you know, chilling, like they're doing their thing, I like to tie it a certain way, and I like to present it a certain way for the walleyes too. It's just built different. That's just how like I tie my walleye flies. But yeah, basically today it's a vlog. I actually got a fridge coming in. I want to show you guys a fridge that I got coming in because I have baits. I'll show you guys the bait actually. Let's go upstairs. In my fridge. Oh, not that fridge. Not the fridge, freezer, sorry. Here it is. So you guys can see all that, right? Now, my lady does not like that I keep my cut bait, dead bait, in here. But it's the only fridge and freezer we have right now. I got one on the way. I want to show you guys the, like, once I get one, to unbox it and open it up and stuff like that for you guys. So it's pretty cool. I mean, I got some shiners. These, you know, my pike season from the ice. Nothing's wasted, you know. They're all going here. They're good for catfish. The shrimp, this is not bait. We eat this stuff. But yeah, these are my shad from early fall, late fall. These are the later fall right here because they're a lot smaller. I hope they're still good. I mean, I don't know. We'll find out, right? Once we use it, catch fish with it. But yeah, as of now, just kind of chill. I'll just cut and edit, vlog. I might go to the store. Just kind of waiting for my fridge to come through. So stick around. I'll see you guys when the fridge, hopefully the fridge shows up sometime during the vlog as I show you guys. So stay tuned. Alright, so it is now day 2. I actually waited all day yesterday for my fridge, and my fridge did not show up until now. Look at this. It's finally here. Ta-da! It's my fridge. I gotta move all this stuff right here. Again, my place is still a hot mess. So yeah, this is my garage. I'm gonna be chilling here and still unorganizing everything. It's very exciting to open up a fridge because I've never owned a mini fridge before. So if you guys have any like tips or tricks of owning a fridge or where to put it, how to set it up, let me know. I mean, I only have 2 sections in here, the freezer and the fridge itself, and let's pop it open, see what happens. I got it off of Walmart. It was on sale for like $150. So no, I'm not sponsored by Walmart, guys. I just shop at Walmart because it's affordable, you know. More foam for flies. Oh, it comes all the way up. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, it's actually very light. Like I was able to move it around just fine. So I kind of want it right here. That way I can grab my drinks and stuff that I want to eat, you know, and my bait. Don't mess with it, man. Yep. I might have to cut the box, yo. Oh, it just pops up like that. Oh, that makes a lot of sense. All right, guys, so this is the small fridge I was telling you about. Arctic King is the brand. Oh, duh, there's tape on here. Good job, David. Yeah, there we go. Pop it open. Oh, look at that. Perfect for baits. Ah, it smells brand new. I love it. Here we go. Oh, let's go. It's brand new. Got a bunch of stuff in here too that we gotta pop out. So hold on. All right. It's always nice getting new things, you know. I'm not rich. This stuff was actually on sale, and I bought it because I couldn't pass up the deal, and I need it for my cut baits. I didn't want to get yelled at by my lady anymore, so. Wax worm, night crawlers, stuff like that. That is pretty darn cool, man. So now I'm able to put like drinks and stuff right here, you know, the adult drinks. And I got some energy drink storage right here too. Again, this thing is really light, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna show you guys the inside since it's all open now. Yeah, look at that, boys. Look at that. So we got the temperature control here on medium. This is the little light switch. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's waist high, you know. It's above waist actually. And it's gonna do the job. All my cut bait's gonna fit in here. My skein, you know, eggs and stuff like that. Fillet if I want to keep some. Wax worm, night crawlers, adult drinks. Alright, so we're gonna drill a hole right here to the outlet. Trying to get a good visual for you guys here. Oh jeez, okay. We made it. My goodness. Scared me. Whew. Oh, look at that, perfectly. It's so freaking smooth, guys. I'll just go ahead and sand it down from the bottom a little bit. Should be good. Now we're gonna plug it into the bottom one. Yeah, let's try the bottom one. It's running. Here, listen, listen. You hear that? We have energy, guys. Let's go. All right, so I guess you just let it sit. I know it takes a little while, so other than that, it's running. Let's go. It's more like a gunmetal color than black. The top is black, but this part right here, it's a nice, smooth, like gunmetal color. So cool. All right. There you go, guys. But just cast it around, just drag it like a tube. Just let it hit the bottom. I'm gonna rig up for Danny here, because, huh? Yeah, just let it sink. It's a little deep, so let it fall for a little bit. Alright, so we are using 1 ounce sinkers today, as always, because water is flooded and it's pretty deep when you get down there in 10 feet of water. My life. It's my life right now, dude. Like I said, with polarized lens, it's hard to see 6-pound test. Now you go, you can stay right there. Yep, just keep fishing right there. There's a pocket right there. You're stuck? Yeah. Bro, how'd you get stuck?
I get stuck on these little things.
Oh, you gotta avoid it. Here. Got him.
Cheat code?
Yeah, first cast, dude. Let's say you just pop it, yep. Now when he gets too close like that, just pull it up. Snag. Flathead bait. Fish. That's where all the fish come from. Kapande kumakain ko. Yeah, sometimes it's like that, man. What's up? What's up?
I said you might have crossed me.
Oh, is it? That's a low walleye. Yeah. At least they're here. Very good. Got him. Haha. He crushed it. I called bang. Right through the nose. Want it, Danny? Let's air fry him. Right through the nose, dude. Dang, cute as heck. Lots and lots of drums. Wow. Okay, this one's heavy. It's a catfish. How? He went for it. He ate it head first. Grabbed it on the fall. Oh, you actually got one. You actually got one. You actually got one. Never give up, lip it.
Oh, he choked it, bro. He said lip it.
He finally got one. Bro, just grab it. Grab his lip, yeah. Just grab the whole thing. You gonna do nothing. Yeah.
Finally, daddy.
Show him the fly. Dang, and held it, bro.
Nailed it.
Nice kiddo. Alright, here we go. Let's go.
No skunk.
No
Look at
skunk.
this little guy. Whoa.
Oh, Danny's all on the fly. Oh, it's a nice one, is it? Oh, it's a nice walleye. Bro. It's a sauger. It's a sauger. Oh,
It's a fatty.
yeah, fatty. Good job, dude.
Hey.
Yeah, that's a sauger. On that one, DYang fly.
Check it out.
Hold it.
I don't know how to hold it.
Skill it. Put a finger through there.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're fine. Hey.
Yeah.
Good. All right, catch and release, Danny. Nice sauger. Oh, 14 incher.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Good job.
Booyah.